Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to create flyable school registration form in Acrobat Pro DC. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to make this form into the Microsoft Word or other programs and then convert it into the PDF file. Then go to the Tools menu and click the Prepare From and click Start. Now check the text field option is automatically created, but some radio button and drop down menu is blank. You can add this text box or text field option manually. Just click the text field box and draw the text field option. You can set this text field option as required or read only. Now I will add radio button. Just click the radio button and draw the radio button and copy the button and check it. Now I will add drop down menu. Just click the drop down menu and draw the box and add your item. Or right click on the drop down menu properties, go to the option and add your item name. Check the drop down menu, go to the preview and click. Now I will add image field option. Click the image field and draw your image field box. Click the image icon, upload your image. Go to the mobile option field properties and set the format as a number. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.